Alrighty, my friends. Let's talk about Telesin. I know I talk about some other companies, I'm not going to mention their names for this video, that are products that I absolutely love and I use continuously. Well, Telesin has fallen into that group of things that I use often because of the way that things are made. I've got their neck mount, little camera holders, phone holders. They're have many attachments that go with them and stuff, so you can actually put in, like, I was standing on that, so you can put in like GoPros and things like that. And their microphones, I am currently right now using a DJI, but we are going to be switching over right now to this camera. So now we're on the phone. So I am actually using a Telesin wireless microphone right here, and this plugs directly into your mobile device. Now, one of the reasons I like the Telesin products, they're designed strictly for mobile devices. They're not made for like your big handheld cameras and stuff like that, which a lot of people don't use for creating content like this. So these are perfect. As you can tell, you can hear that. Now, let's talk about some of the other products. So ignore my mess. This is my office. This is one of the new Telesin desk mount holders with the mag ring to hold your phone. This thing right here, all metal construction, even the tubes are all aluminum down to the joints, the knuckles, or what I call them, are all metal. These are amazing. Now, that's not where it ends. You've also got this huge, hey, you see how that thing just keeps on going? Fully adjustable stand. This thing right here, if I were to straighten everything up, is 6 foot tall. It's perfect for doing solo filming, vlogging with a phone. Right now, we are not using like one of the 4K cameras or anything like that. We're using strictly an iPhone. Working out great. We're on the desk mount right now. Same as this one, has the same attachment, but this allows you to like set this somewhere in a living room, in an office, outside, and you can film with it. Now, right here, you twist this, it lowers down into a shorter version. So that means you could put this like at a desk while you're sitting in your chair. Heavy, heavy base that's going to be able to hold everything stable. All aluminum metal construction. Turn this knob right here. It does have a stop that prevents it from going any further. Tighten it back up. And now you're back to this. So let me show you. You see what we did there? Just went from one to the other. So yeah, definitely. If you like the Telesin products, I'm going to have a couple of the items linked below for, like, let's say these stands. You know where the tree is. So there you go, guys.